A very good day, Dr. Saswan. Before I start to present my today's topic, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Diivyan Gopalakrishnan, metric number 265482. The topic that I want to present today is based on the three questions given. The first question is about three things that I have learned from the selected topic. The topic that I learned from this subject is what is marketing. Marketing is the activity, set of institution and process of creating, capturing, communicating, delivering and exchanging offering that have a value for the customer. In other words, marketing refers to the activity of a business related to buying and selling the product or service. It involves finding out what customer wants and determining whether it is possible to produce it at the right place or not. The second thing that I have learned is core aspect of marketing. There are 5 core aspects of marketing. The first are marketing affects various stakeholders. The second thing is marketing is about satisfying customer needs and want. The third thing is marketing entail an exchange. The fourth thing is marketing create value through product, price, place and promotion. And the fifth is marketing can be performed by individual and the organization. The third thing that I have learned in this subject is marketing is about satisfying customer needs and wants. So satisfying consumer requests and wants is the simplest way to increase the earning and sell more product and service in the marketing. Desire is described in marketing as determining what a customer wants and needs. In order to encourage customer to buy product, marketing method try to address the number of demands. The second question is about 2 questions that I still have doubt. For the first question, why marketing is important to both within and outside of the firm? For that question, I have an answer. Production is advice on how much the company goods to create and logistics is given instruction to when to ship it. Create long-term mutually benefit relationship between the corporation and the companies from whom it purchases, identify what local customer value and help the company to expand globally. The second question is why customer demands is important to the marketers. For this question, I have an answer. Understanding what the product performs and how it helps the people is the first step in meeting customer demands. The greatest method to implement is target marketing. The final sales result come from the proper targeting. Customer pleasure leads to customer loyalty, which turn into the contribute to the customer lifetime value. For the final part, one new thing that I have learned from my group members is marketing evolution. Marketing evolution teach me that marketing does not happen in a matter of years. It undergoes major change over the years. It all started when manufacturing became the only emphasis, resulting in industry evolution. As the result, it grew more focused on the sales and marketing, allowing enterprise it allowed to hate on the competition. As the decade passed, it became clear that just showing items into the buyer's attention would not enough. As a result, marketing has moved into the focus to developing true relationship with the customer in order to keep them satisfying and loyal for the organization. That's all from me. Thank you.
A very good day to everyone. My name is Kar Chuan, matrix number 263498. So I'm from group 2 and our group select chapter 1, which is marketing. So I will make a video reflection regarding to the chapter 1 of the subtopic, which is the product of marketing mix. So The three lessons that I learned in product of marketing mix is the first, every product has its own value. Second, meet customers' needs, and third, focus on marketing effort. So, firstly, every product has its own value. Product value can be used in marketing and advertising material to explain why a customer should buy a product. For business that just launching, knowing what their product value items provide is important for making a business plan and collecting funding. As a business grows, understanding how product value changes in relation to the market can help a marketing team respond quickly to maximize product value and profit. So, the second, match customer needs are important to ensure the product qualities. Consider how your product is best for your customers and what distinguishes it from competing product. You might start by matching quality to specific need, then explain the connection through the simple sentence. So we can develop this material into advertising copy, like a product value proposition or material to explain the concept to investors in a business plan. Lastly is to focus the marketing effort. Product, product without marketing effort cannot get attention from customer unless the product has the right features and function to attract the customers. The best effort to promote and praise the product at the right stores at competitive prices will likely result in lackluster sales at best. Only by having a product that is high quality and can be promoted and praised on its merit will the marketing mix really work to the best advantages. So, there are two questions that I'm curious about. First, is not enough to provide a good product or service at a fair price. The companies need to understand the customer experience on every level, from delivery of value to emotional satisfaction, because the customer experience will overtake the price and product as the key brand differentiator. The second is the feature of product. Feature is important to attract a customer or user to buy our product. So before they buying the product, a feature may be useful part of a product, but without the product, the feature is a waste of space. So the one new thing that I have learned from the reflection of my group members is the marketing mix. In marketing mix, the price should be compatible with the placement of the product. So the product should be competitive with the promotion. So in general, all the pieces are related to each other. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Good day to my lecturer and my fellow friend. My name is Ong Wei Jun, metric number 2655734. I'm from Group 2. The topic I choose is Topic 1, Price with Marketing Mix. The three things I learned about the price in marketing mix is the price in marketing mix was the value you pay in order to exchange the product and service from the company. Therefore, price can consider as an essential component of the marketing mix because it can determine the company's survival and the profit. Secondly, the pricing of the product is also an important factor in determining the company's success. Therefore, before deciding on the price of a good and service, several factors should be considered first, such as a list of price, competitor price, discounts, and the sales term. Thirdly, the company also should keep a check on the price of a product because overpriced or underpriced of a product may not attract the customer. This is because discount on a specific product can sometimes draw more customer attention, but it may also keep your impression of a product to being less aggressive. As a result, marketers must treat carefully before to decide whether to give a discount or not. Secondly, the two questions I still talk about the topic is what is the customer willing to pay for the product? If the product price is lower and cheaper and the product also giving the discount, will the customer willing to pay for it? The next question is about is the customer willing to buy more for the product if the product quality is good or better than other product in the market? Will the customer willing to buy more for it? Lastly, the one new thing I have learned from the reflection from my group member is, other than the price, they still have three other components of the marketing mix, which is the product, place, and promotion. The product can be referred to the brand, design, style, and the package. The next is place. Place can refer to the two sides, which is the distribution channel and the physical distribution. The distribution channel can be referred to the wholesaler, retailer, and the merchandise agent. And the physical distribution can be referred to the transport, warehousing, and the inventory. Lastly is the promotion. The promotion can be referred to the advertising, sales, promotion, and the publicity. And that's all for me. Thank you for your attention.
Hello and good day everyone. My name is Surehkumar A, Supramaniam, metric number 265470. Today our group want to present about topic 1, which is the overview of marketing. But I'm here to specific the topic on the place in marketing mix. Firstly, I want to present about the 3 things that I've learned in marketing mix. So, place in marketing mix refers to the geographical location in which the company sells its product and provides its services. So, a firm should position and distribute its product in a place that is easily accessible to its potential buyers or customers. Place does not always refer to the store location. It also refers to the placing of products inside the store. The second thing that I've learned is placing a product in certain stores or specific stores display. Nowadays, when everything is shifting toward digital platforms, it becomes necessary for firms to place them on those digital platforms and leverage digital marketing. So, in some cases, placement may also refer to the act of including a product on television shows, in films, or on web pages in order to seek attention for the product. This increased placement of more and more films on digital platforms has led to a rise in e-commerce sector. The third thing that I've learned is the importance of place in marketing mix. Place is the element of the marketing mix that ensures that the product is distributed and made conveniently available for the customers at the right location and at the right time. It is imperative that when the customer comes into the store to purchase a product, that product is readily available without any issue. Whenever consumers are faced with issues involving the availability of a product, it's almost certain that they will take their business somewhere else. This is why it is important to the product makes it to the right place and at the right time. Okay, the second part of my presentation is the 2 questions still I have doubt about place in marketing mix. Okay, the first question is, what distribution channel do companies need to pursue? A product mix has numerous product levels of various product lines within the mix. Distribution mix has various elements which make product competitive in market. So I am still having doubt because there are various distribution channels such as direct distribution, indirect distribution, intensive distribution, exclusive distribution, and selective distribution. So I am still wondering that which types of distribution suits best suits for their product based on the type of their product they are selling in the market. Okay, the second question that I still having doubt is, where do companies need to be in order to gain the interest from the buyers from the perspective of the place marketing mix? So the mix strategy ensures the availability of product to the intended end consumer. So such example as umbrellas must hit the market before the onset of monsoon season and must be available throughout the season to be replaced with woolen caps and mufflers as winter sets in. Winter wear available in the hot months will attract negligible sales because of the seasonality. So I am wondering the other types of product do company needs to taken to make sure to gain the interest from their consumers. Okay, the final part of my presentation is the one new thing that I've learned from reflection of my group members. Okay, the new thing that I've learned from my group members is the importance of promotion in the marketing mix. Okay, the first important is to improve the effectiveness of promotional campaigns. Promotion is a crucial part of any business, so companies develop a promotion mix, putting all efforts to promotion at the right place. Okay, next is to improve communications with clients. Companies develop a promotion mix trying to speak their consumers' language. If prepared correctly, it helps build trust between the brand and its customers. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Nurhidayu Abdullah with metric number 271693. So today I would like to explain regarding the topic that I chose, which is the promotion in marketing mix. First of all, I would like to explain to you the three things that I've learned in the promotional mix. First, what is the promotion in marketing mix? So, promotional mix is a combination of marketing techniques such as advertising, sales, public relation, and direct marketing. The promotional mix is usually just one component of a bigger marketing strategy. So you could select to employ a few approaches or combine them for your campaign. The second thing that I've learned is there are four components of promotional mix. First, the most is advertising. This component used by all the marketers as a vital tool for increasing brand awareness. They will show it using email, website, and so on. Next, direct selling. This is one-on-one conversation between a salesperson and a potential buyer. People are influenced by direct selling to purchase particular item or service. It's one of the most efficient strategies to promote business. Moreover, the other component is sales promotion. This is a set of short-term activities that are designed to encourage immediate purchase. Sales promotion are the campaigns that use time-sensitive offer, for instance, sales, discount, coupons, and many more to engage existing consumer and bring in a larger audience. Last but not least, public relation. This type of promotional method determines the way people treat the brand. Companies using public relation or PR to build a firm and attractive brand image by planting interesting news stories about their activities in the media. So the last thing that I've learned in promotional mix is why the promotion mix important to use in business. First, the most, it is to improve the effectiveness of promotional campaign. Promotional is a crucial part of any business. So companies develop a promotion mix, putting all efforts to make promotion at the right place. Next, it is to improve communication with clients. Companies develop a promotion mix trying to speak their consumers' language. If prepared correctly, it helps build trust between the brand and its customer. So next, I will tell you about the two questions I still have doubt about the promotional mix. first is how often does the company communicate to customer? And the second one is in the digital world, how many impressions or views are generated? So these are the questions that I have still doubt and want to find the answer. Lastly, I like to share the one new thing that I've learned from reflection of my group member. So I have learned about the 4PS marketing mix, which is promotion, product, price, and place. I also learned about the core aspect of marketing from my friends. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Good day, Doctor. My name is Wong Min. So I would like to discuss about the marketing evolutions and create value. First of all, I'd like to talk about the three things I have learned from my topic. The first will be the marketing evolution. It consists of 4 areas, which is production-oriented, sales-oriented, market-oriented, and value-based oriented, and will be further explained in the next slide. So production-oriented era is just like the name. Producer, they will concentrate on the productions, and I believe that a good product will sell itself, so they do not need to do any sales, and they do not satisfy the needs of the individual consumer because they believe that they should focus on the quantity of the product. And the second will be the sales-oriented era. And in this era, producer they will focus on sales. They will do some sort of techniques to improve the sales. And it is an era at the period of time after the Great Depressions and World War II. So consumer they will tend to manufacture items themselves instead of purchasing it. So manufacturers they have the capacity to produce more than what customer really want or what customer are really able to purchase. And the third era is market-oriented era. In this era, producer they will think about customer wants and need, and the customer will be served like a king. So manufacturer even will think of the customer wants and need before they design, make, or attempt to sell their product and services. And the fourth era is value-based oriented era. So in this era, producer will think about how can they create value for their customer. So a good value in marketing concept, which means that products meet customers' wants and needs and offer a price. So the second thing I learned from the topic, which is a value-based marketing era, actually it is a further explanation of the fourth era. So in this small subtopic, I learned 4 terms, which is value, reflects the relationship or benefits cost or what one gets from what one gives. And the second term is value co-creation. It means that customer they act as a collaborators with the manufacturers to create a product or services. And in this case, I would like to discuss about the Lay's potato chips. So the Lay's they have organized competition for their customers to create the flavor they like for Lay's. So Pepper Joe's Joppy is one of the successful flavor co-created by customer of Lay. So relational orientation is means that firm focus on the lifetime profitability of relationship instead of the transaction. So the fourth will be the customer relationship management (CRM). It is a business philosophy and set of strategies, programs, and systems that focus on identifying and building loyalty among the firm's most valued customers. So the third thing I learned from my topic, which is a value stem from 4 main activities. The first will be adding value. Value-oriented marketers will measures the benefits customers perceive against the cost, and they will use available customers data to find the opportunity to satisfy their customer. Second will be use marketing analytics. Firm will collect a lot of data about how, when, why, where, and what people buy. So the third will be embrace socials and mobiles marketing. So marketers they will connect with their customer by using the new technology. The fourth will be ethical and societal dilemma. Firm when they make ethical based decision, they have to benefit the society as a whole. So next I will discuss about the 2 questions I still have doubt. So the first will be how does firm ensure their offering is valuable? Because as I mentioned earlier, I learned about the group value, but I'm still curious, how can firm ensure that their offering is valuable? So it's by using the 4 ways. So first, we build relationships. Second, collect and analyze information. Third, balance benefits and costs. Fourth, use the social media to build relationship. And the second question is, what does conscious marketing means? It is an approach to marketing that acknowledge 4 key principles: a higher purpose, stakeholder, conscious leadership, and conscious culture. Last, I'd like to share about new things that I had learned from my members. So I have learned what is marketing and the core aspect of marketing. So before I learn from my friends or before taking this subject, I perceive marketing actually is about how a firm markets their products in the market. Yeah. But actually after reading it, I found out that marketing is a wide branch and it's a wide field of study. It's more than what I know. And beside that, I learned the marketing mix from my friends, which is a 4P. I learned deeply of the 4P. I learned the importance of 4P to a business. So that's all from me. Thank you.